Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we will explain how you can sell stocks on Robinhood. So let's get started. First, open the Robinhood app. On the main page, you will see a list of all the stocks you currently own. Scroll down and tap on the stock you want to sell. In this example, I own fractional shares of this stock. That means I can sell it based on the dollar amount instead of the number of shares. If you own at least one full share, you will also have the option to sell by quantity and choose from different order types. It's important to understand these order types so you can get the best possible price for your stock. For example, placing a limit order lets you control the price at which your shares sell, which is usually recommended. Now, let's go through the process. Tap the trade button, which is the green one, and then select sell. You will see the option to sell in a dollar amount. If you tap the top right corner, you can view all the available order types. Since this example has less than one full share, I can only sell by dollar amount. If you have a full share, you will see more options like limit or stop orders. To continue, I will simply choose to sell all my shares by tapping Sell All. The full dollar amount appears, and then I swipe up to confirm. Just like that, the sale goes through. Once it's complete, the money from that sale will appear in my buying power, meaning it's now available to use for new trades or to withdraw. You will see a confirmation pop up that the stock has been sold. When you scroll back to the top, your buying power will have increased to reflect the funds added from the sale. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.